Google Gemini 4 new update is awesome. Did Google just quietly kill ChatGPT? How is one company shipping 4 updates this big at once? Why are creators already rebuilding their entire workflow around this? Something massive just shifted and most people haven't noticed yet. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie and I show people how to take new AI tools and actually plug them into real work. Google I/O 2026 just dropped and 4 updates came out of it that completely changed what's possible with AI right now. I'm going to walk you through each one in the order I'd actually use them. The last one is the one I'd build my next content system around. Before I jump in, here's the big picture. Google didn't just upgrade Gemini, they turned it into a full system. The chatbot you used last year is gone. What's replacing it works across Gmail, Docs, Drive, YouTube, Search, and Chrome. And it runs on a brand new model that flips the usual rules. Let's go. First up is the model itself, Gemini 3.5 Flash. This came out on May 19th, 2026. And the wild part is this is the cheap, fast tier. Normally Flash models are the lightweight option. This one beats the previous flagship Pro model on coding and agent tasks. Here's what Google actually published. 76.2% on Terminal Bench 2.1, 83.6% on MCP Atlas for multi-step tool calling, about 4 times faster than comparable frontier models. 1 million token context window. It handles text, images, audio, video, and PDFs natively. Pricing through the API is $1.50 per million input tokens and $9 per million output tokens. What that means in plain English. You get near top-tier intelligence at lower cost and higher speed. It's now the default model across the Gemini app, AI Studio, and AI mode in Google Search. Google built it specifically for agent workflows and coding. They traded some pure academic reasoning for getting real work done. I tested a prompt on it to build a simple HTML landing page for a free SEO audit offer with a headline, benefits, form section, testimonials, FAQ, and CTA buttons. Try the same prompt yourself and you'll see why creators are switching their entire stack to this model. This could be used to build full landing pages for every new lead magnet that brings people into the AI profit boardroom. You feed it the offer, the benefits, and the call to action, and it ships a working page in seconds. That means more chances to test new hooks for the AI profit boardroom without burning hours on design. Imagine running 3.5 Flash to batch out prompts that AI profit boardroom members can plug straight into their own workflows. You could build a fresh prompt pack in a single sitting and drop it inside the AI profit boardroom prompt library. New members get instant value the moment they join. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because once you have a model this fast and this cheap, Google can build something on top of it that wasn't possible before. That something is Gemini Spark. Spark is being called a 24/7 personal AI agent. Most people hear that and roll their eyes. I get it. Every company says their thing is an agent, but this one actually is. Spark runs on dedicated cloud virtual machines on Google Cloud. So it works even when your laptop is closed. It works at 3 a.m. It works while you're at the gym. Google gives Spark its own Gmail address. You email it like a coworker. Send tasks. Ask for updates. It pulls context from your Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides automatically with no manual setup needed. You can teach it skills, set recurring tasks, and chain workflows together. It runs on Gemini 3.5 with the anti-gravity agent harness, which is Google's new platform for building autonomous agents. It's rolling out right now to Google AI Ultra subscribers over 18 in the US, plus select business users on Gemini Enterprise. More access is coming over the next few weeks. This could be used to handle the entire inbound flow for the AI profit boardroom. You could set Spark to watch your inbox, flag anyone asking about the AI profit boardroom, pull the right info, and draft a personal reply waiting for your approval. The AI profit boardroom feels premium the second someone reaches out. Imagine running Spark to build a weekly research pipeline for the AI profit boardroom. It could scan trending AI tools every Monday, summarize the most relevant ones, and drop them into a doc ready for the next AI profit boardroom walkthrough. The hardest part of content prep is done before you even open your laptop. Now let's talk about update number 3. This one is for anyone who creates content, consumes content, or wants to be found on YouTube. It's called Ask YouTube, and it changes how search works on the biggest video platform on the planet. Instead of typing keywords, you ask full questions, real conversational questions, like find me beginner cycling tutorials for kids, or show me creator reviews of cozy games to play before bed. Ask YouTube scans the entire library, both shorts and long-form videos. Then it gives you an interactive, structured response. It jumps straight to the exact part of the video that answers your question. No more scrubbing. You can ask follow-up questions to keep refining what you're looking for. Right now, it's available to YouTube Premium members aged 18 and up in the US through youtube.com/new. Google says it's rolling out wider soon. Here's why this matters more than people think. The way people search for content just shifted. They're not typing best AI tool 2026 anymore. They're asking real questions like, what AI tool should I use to build my first agent? If your titles and descriptions don't answer real questions, you stop getting found. Period. Quick pause before update number 4. If everything I've covered so far feels like a lot, this is exactly why the AI Profit Boardroom exists. Inside, you get the full walkthrough on setting up Gemini Spark agents step by step. You get the Gemini 3.5 Flash prompt packs for shipping landing pages, content, and full workflows in minutes. You get a section dedicated to ranking content in the Ask YouTube era with title and description templates built for this new search style. And you get weekly live coaching calls where you can bring your exact setup and we'll build it with you. If you want to skip the confusion and just start using these tools the right way, the link is aiprofitboardroom.com. Okay, update number 4. This is the one I build my next content system around. Gemini Omni. This is Google's brand new video generation model, and it replaces VO inside the Gemini app. Omni takes text, images, audio, and even other videos as inputs. It outputs short, high-resolution video clips with synchronized audio, around 10 seconds long. But here's the part that separates it from every other video model. You don't have to regenerate the whole video every time you want to change something. You just chat with it. You say, change the background to a city street, then make the lighting warmer, then stabilize the shot. Each edit builds on the last one. The model keeps the scene consistent across every round of refinement. There's also a digital avatar feature. You can create an AI version of yourself using your appearance and voice, then drop yourself into generated videos without uploading reference material every single time. Google built Omni on a world model foundation, so it understands physics, gravity, and how things move in the real world. Motion looks real because the model actually knows how the world works. Omni is available to users 18 and up with a Google AI Plus, Pro, or Ultra plan in all the markets where the Gemini app is live. It's also being added to YouTube Shorts Remix and the YouTube Create app, so you can remix existing shorts using prompts and images. Every remix gets AI metadata that links back to the original. This could be used to spin up a steady stream of short, branded video clips that promote the AI Profit Boardroom across Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. You feed Omni one prompt, get a base clip, then refine the lighting, the text overlay, and the hook with simple chat commands. Consistent AI Profit Boardroom content ships every single day without a video editor. Imagine running Omni with the avatar feature to create welcome videos for new AI Profit Boardroom members. You record one short reference, generate clean intro videos for every new cohort, and personalize the message without filming again. Every new AI Profit Boardroom member feels seen the moment they walk in. Now let me give you the bigger picture, because when you put these 4 updates together, you can see what Google just did. Sundar Pichai said at I/O that the Gemini app now has over 900 million monthly users. That's more than double from last year. AI mode in Google search has passed 1 billion monthly users. AI Overviews has 2.5 billion monthly users. This isn't a side project. This is the new core of Google. So how do you actually start? Here's the simple play. Step 1. Switch your default model to Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's already in the Gemini app and AI Studio. Use it for everything for the next week. Landing pages, scripts, prompts, code. Get a feel for how much faster you ship. Step 2. If you have Google AI Ultra, jump on the Gemini Spark rollout. Start with one recurring task. Just one. Something boring like a daily inbox summary. Get comfortable talking to an agent that works in the background. Step 3. Go to youtube.com/new and try Ask YouTube. Then audit your own content. Are your titles answering real questions? Are your descriptions written for conversational search? Fix the ones that aren't. Step 4. If you make video, open the Gemini app and try Omni. Start with a 10-second clip. Edit it 3 different ways using just chat. You'll feel the shift the moment you do it. That's the playbook. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And one last thing. The hardest part of any new AI release isn't the tools. It's knowing which one to use first, what order to plug them into your work, and how to actually get results without wasting 2 weeks. That's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the Gemini Spark agent setups we're running right now. You get the 3.5 Flash prompt packs for shipping content and landing pages on autopilot. You get the Ask YouTube ranking playbook. You get the Omni video templates. And you get live coaching calls where you can ask anything and get a real answer. If you're serious about turning these 4 updates into a working system this week, head to AIProfitBoardroom.com. That's AIProfitBoardroom.com. I'll see you inside.